Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will share with you fried eggplant spinach recipe. I took one medium size green eggplant, washed, dried and slitted in four sides. First we will fry the brinjal. Add sufficient oil in a kadai and pour the brinjal in hot oil. Don't remove the stem of the brinjal. Turn over each side after 1 minute and fry the eggplant on medium to high heat. Prepare half bunch spinach leaves, clean, washed and chopped roughly in a kadai. Add a tablespoon oil. When oil is hot, add 2 grated garlic and green chili. Saute for 30 seconds on low heat until fragrant. Then add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and then immediately add the chopped spinach leaves. On medium to high heat, quick stir the spinach leaves continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half a teaspoon salt according to your taste. Fry the spinach leaves 50%, then add fried eggplant. Break the eggplant with spatula into small pieces and well combine with spinach. Mix well. Stir evenly and roast both spinach and eggplant for minimum 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high heat. At last, add a teaspoon cooking oil. This oil is fried oil of brinjal. Mix well. Don't cover the kadai in the entire process. Our roasted brinjal spinach is ready for serving. Serve it with bhakri or roti. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.